Yeah, 5%.
That's kind of like we'll slope and we'll go like straight across just like that. You guys gotta want to swing around here a little bit and we'll just go right across here. Come on, Morgan. Let's get that behind these guys and shoot. We're just gonna go just like that, like right across the middle like that. Morgan, here, come on. Morgan, here. Morgan, come here. Morgan, here. Morgan, here. Come on.
Bird, guys, bird. Mark, get ready.
Oh, on your stomach? No. Here, Morgan.
Well, don't get shot.
Oh, she got that's one of those quails that was heard earlier. Morgan.
Nice.
Morgan,
Nice. Good work.